Welcome to VK Television 2020. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of question paper of 2019 March. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification of newly uploaded videos. 18th question. In the figure, chord BC is extended to P. Tangents from P to the circle is PA. AQ is the bisector of triangle ABC. AQ is the bisector of angle BAC. Write one pair of equal angles from the figure. If angle PAC equal to X, angle PAC is equal to X and PCA is equal to Y, prove that angle BAC is equal to Y minus X. C, prove that angle PAQ is equal to Y plus X by 2. First question is write one pair of equal angles from the figure. We have to write one pair of equal angles from the figure. These two angles are equal. Here AQ is a bisector of angle BAC. So these two angles is the pair of equal angles. Otherwise these two angles is also pair of equal angles. Okay. Second one. Consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. Triangle ABC. Then sum of these three angles is equal to 180. We take it this angle is Y. So this one is 180 minus Y. So sum of these three angles equal to 180. That is angle BAC plus X plus 180 minus Y is equal to 180. Now 180 is cancelled. Then angle BAC is equal to Y minus X. Angle BAC is equal to Y minus X. That is this angle is equal to Y minus X. So we obtain the answer of option B. We obtain the answer of second question. Now third one, prove that angle PAQ is equal to Y plus X by 2. Okay, PAQ is equal to Y plus X by 2. Okay, this angle can be written as angle PAQ is equal to angle QAC plus angle CAP. That is equal to, and this can be written as angle QAC is equal to angle QAC is equal to angle BAC by 2, because AQ is the bisector of this angle. So this angle is equal to half of angle BAC, that is angle BAC by 2 plus X is equal to we already find out angle BAC is equal to Y minus X is equal to Y minus X by 2 plus X, that's equal to Y minus X plus 2X by 2, that's equal to Y plus X. So angle PAQ is equal to Y plus X by 2. 90th question. If x minus 1 is a factor of the second degree polynomial, p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and p of 0 is equal to minus 5, what is the value of c? Okay, to find the value of c, we replace x by 0. It is given that p of 0 is equal to minus 5. So to obtain the value of c, we replace x by 0. That is p of 0 is equal to minus 5. After replacing x by 0, we obtain c is equal to minus 5. Prove that a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5. Now x minus c is a factor of the second degree polynomial. Okay. Therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. That is p of 1 is equal to 0. Since x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, p of 1 is equal to 0. That is a into 1 square, that is a into 1, that is a, plus b into 1 plus b plus c is equal to 0. We already obtained the value of c is equal to minus 5. So this can be written as a plus b minus 5 is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 5. That is the answer of the second one. A plus b is equal to 5. Write a second degree polynomial whose one factor is x minus 1. So this is the polynomial having factor as x minus 1. So we write the value of c, that is minus 5, and a plus b is equal to 5. So we write 1x square plus 4x minus 5, that is sum of these two is equal to 5, or 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Okay, that is p of x equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Sum of these two, that is sum of the coefficient of x square and coefficient of x must be 5. Okay, so this polynomial has a factor x minus 1. Next question. A circular sheet of paper is divided into two sectors. Center angle of one of them is 160 degree. Center angle of one of them is 60 degree. 160 degree. What is the central angle of the remaining sector? What is the central angle of the remaining sector? That is the 360 minus 160 is equal to 200. Okay, so answer of the first one is 200 degree. These sectors are bent into cones of maximum volume. If the radius of small cone is 8 centimeter, what is the radius of the other? Okay, so we form two cones by using this circle, by using the two sectors of the circle. We make larger cone by using this sector having central angle 200 degree, and makes smaller cone by using this sector having central angle 160 degree. Okay, it is given that the radius of the small cone is equal to 8. Okay, if the radius of small cone is 8 centimeter, what is the radius of other? We have to find out radius of the larger cone. Okay, we have a relation R1 by L is equal to X1 by 360. Okay, that is where R1 is 8 by L is equal to 160 degree. Okay, central angle is 160 degree. That is 8 by L is equal to 160 by 360. L by 8 is equal to, we take the reciprocal, that is L by 8 is equal to 360 degree by 160 degree. That is L is equal to 9 by 4. After simplifying this, we obtain 9 by 4 into 8 is equal to 18. Okay, is equal to 18. That is slant height is equal to 18. Okay, so slant height is equal to 18. Slant height of this one is equal to 18. So slant height of this one is also 18. Okay, that is because the radius of the sectors is equal to 18 centimeter. Here we consider second cone. Okay, second cone. Then we have relation R2 by L is equal to X2 by 360. Okay, then R2 is equal to X2 by 360 into L. Here central angle is 200. R2 is equal to 200 by 360 into slant height is 18 is equal to 10. That is the radius of this cone is equal to 10. Okay, now last question is what is the slant height of the cones? We already obtained the slant height is equal to 18. Okay, slant height of the cone is equal to 18. Now equation of a line AB is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. P is a point on the line. The line intersects the y-axis at A. Okay, y-axis at A and the x-axis at B. What is the x-coordinate of A? What is the x-coordinate of A? What is the length of OA? What is the length of OB? The x-coordinate and the y-coordinates of P are same. Find the coordinates of P. First question, what is the x-coordinate of A? Okay, we have to find out x-coordinate of A. We know that if we consider any point on the y-axis, the first coordinate is 0. So answer is 0 minus 3. Okay, 0 minus 3. we replace x by 0, that is 3 into 0 is equal to 0, minus 2y is equal to 6. So after simplify we obtain y is equal to minus 3. So this point is 0, minus 3. What is the length of OA? What is the length of OA? We have to find out this length, that is 3. Okay, this point is 0, minus 3. So distance from origin to this point is 3. So is equal to 3. What is the length of OB? We have to find out the length of OB. Okay, to find, we know that if you take any point on the x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. That is 3x minus 2 into 0 equal to 6. Then 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2. So this length is 2. Okay, length is equal to 2. The x coordinate and the y coordinates of P are same. Okay, find the coordinates of P. We have to find out the coordinate of P. The coordinate of P in which both x and y coordinate are equal. Okay, we know that the equation of the line is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. We replace y by x, then 3x minus 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. Okay, now we substitute the value of x is equal to in this equation, then we obtain y is equal to 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay, according to P is 6. Next, answer any 5 questions from 20 to 28. Each question carries 5 scores. If the terms of an arithmetic sequence 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, etc. are represented as x1, x2, x3, etc., then x1 plus x2 plus x3. That is sum of the first 3 terms. Okay, sum of the first 3 terms. Sum is equal to number of terms into middle term. Okay, so we have 3 terms, then sum is equal to 3 into, that is number of terms, into middle terms, that is 3 by 9 is equal to 1. Now we consider next 3 terms, that is 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9. So middle term is 6 by 9. Sum is equal to 3 into, that is we have 3 terms. Okay, 3 into middle term is 6 by 9 is equal to 2. Okay, find the sum of the first 9 terms. Sum of the first 3 terms equal to 1. Sum of the next 3 terms equal to 2. Then sum of the next 3 terms, that is 7 to 9 is equal to 3. So sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. What is the sum of the first 300 terms? Okay, we have to find out the sum of the first 3 terms. We consider first 3 terms, then next consider next 3 terms, and so on. Then we can make these 3 numbers as a one compartment. Okay, so we have 100 compartments out of 300 numbers. Therefore sum is equal to sum of the first compartment, that is consisting of 3 numbers, is equal to 1. Sum of the next 3 terms equal to 2. Sum of the next 3 terms is 3. Sum of the last 3 terms is equal to 100. Okay, sum of the first 100 numbers equal to the number into, that is 100 into 101 by 2 is equal to 5050. Okay, draw a rectangle of area 12 square centimeter. Draw a square having the same area. So we are asked to draw a square. Okay, we have to draw a square of area 12 square centimeter. For this we take the length as 4 and breadth is equal to 3. So we first draw a line of length 4 centimeter by using ruler. After that, place a set square at one end of the line. Then draw a line. Okay, now we draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter. We draw another arc at the other end of the line. Okay, having radius 3 centimeter. After that, we draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter. We complete the rectangle. After that, after completing the rectangle, we extend this line. Okay, then we draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter. Now we have to draw the bisectors of 7 centimeter. Okay, for this we take more than half of the line and draw 2 arcs. By fixing this point, we draw another 2 arcs, or by taking this point as center, we take another 2 arcs to intersect these 2 arcs. Okay, then join the line. Now we draw a semicircle with this point as a center and passing through these 2 points. Okay, now this length is 4, this is 3, so this one is equal to root of 4 into 3 is equal to root 12. Okay, now we draw a arc of radius root 12 centimeter. We first draw an arc of radius root 12 centimeter. We measure this distance and draw an arc of radius root 12. After that, we have to find out the 4th vertex of the square. For this, we draw another arc of radius root 12. Now by taking this point as a center, we draw another arc of radius root 12 and complete the square. Now the area of this rectangle is equal to area of this square. Okay. Next question. A boy standing at one bank of a river sees the top of a tree on the other bank and directly opposite to the boy at an elevation of 60 degrees. Stepping 40 meters back, he sees the top at an elevation of 30 degrees. Draw a rough figure and find the height of the tree. What is the width of the river? First question, draw a rough figure and find the height of the tree. Okay, we first draw a rough figure. Okay, here angle is 60 degree, here angle is 60 degree, so this angle is 120 degree. Okay, since the sum of these 3 angles equal to 180, so this angle is 30 degree. Now these 2 sides are equal because the base angles are equal, so this length is 40. Okay, now width of the river is equal to this side is equal to 40 into this height is this distance is 40. Okay, 40 into cos 60, that is equal 40 into 1 by 2 is equal to 20 meter. So width of the river is equal to 20 meter. Next, 25th is a circle with the center O touches the sides of a triangle at P, Q and R. AB is equal to AC, AQ is equal to 4 cm and CQ is equal to 6 cm. What is the length of CP? What is the length of CP? Okay, for it is given that AQ is equal to 4, AQ is equal to 4, this distance is 4, so this is AR is also 4, and CQ is equal to 6, that is this distance is 6, so CQ is equal to 6, so the CP is also is equal to 6. Okay, length of the tangents from any point to the circle are equal, so these 2 lengths are equal, this is also 6, so we obtain the length of CP is equal to 6. Find the perimeter and the area of the triangle. Now AB equal to AC, AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC. This length is 10, that is AC is equal to 10, so AB is also is equal to 10, so this distance is 6, that is BR is equal to 6, so BP is also 6. Okay, what is the radius of the find the perimeter and the area of the triangle? So we obtain the perimeter is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 12, that is 32 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of the triangle. Okay, area is equal to half into BC into AP, half into BC into AP. Okay, that's equal to half into 12 into this distance, that is root of 10 square minus 6 square is equal to half 6 into 100 minus 36, that is root 64, that is equal to 8. So 6 into 8 is equal to 48, that is 48 square centimeter, that is the area of the triangle. Okay, that is the area of the triangle ABC. What is the radius of the circle? R is equal to A by S. That is, we have a relation R is equal to A by S. That is the half of the perimeter. Okay, that is equal to 48 by half of 32. That is 16 is equal to 3. So radius of the circle is equal to 3. Now 26th question. Radius of a cylinder is equal to its height. If the radius is taken as R, volume of this cylinder is equal to pi r square into R is equal to pi r cube. Like this, find the volume of solids with the following measures. Solid, cone, radius, height. Then we have to find out the volume. Okay, it is given, that is equal to pi r cube. Okay, 1 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r cube. So volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now we have to find out the volume of hemisphere. That is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the ratio of the volume of cone, hemisphere, cylinder and the sphere? Cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cylinder pi r cube. Finally sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to find a ratio of these three. Here 1 by 3 pi is cancelled. Then we have 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 4. Okay, that is, we multiply each term by 3. Then we obtain 3 into pi is cancelled, r cube is also cancelled. Then 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1. 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 4 by 3, 4. So is equal to, ratio is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Second question. A solid metal of radius 6 cm is melted and recast into solid cones of radius 6 cm and height 6 cm. Find the number of cones. The volume of the cones, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 6 cube. So volume of the solid cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 cube. Now we have to find out number of cones. Number of cones is equal to volume of the solid, metal solid, divided by volume of the cone. That is equal to 4. 27. C is the center of the circle passing through origin. Circle cuts the y-axis at A of 0, 4 and the x-axis at B of 4, 0. Write the coordinates of C. Okay, we have to find out the coordinate of C. The coordinates of A and B is given. Okay, A is 0, 4 and B is 4, 0. So the center is equal to, that is the midpoint of A and B, that is equal to 0 plus 4 by 2 is 2, 4 plus 0 by 2 is 2. So the center of the line, center of this diameter is equal to 2. So center is equal to 2, that is the coordinate of C. Then next question, write the equation of the circle. Okay, to find the equation of the circle, we first find the radius of this circle. This distance is the radius. Okay, radius equal to root of 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to root of 4 into 2 is equal to 2 root 2. That is the radius of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle, that is x minus 2 square. We take an arbitrary point on the circle, then x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to r square. Okay, that is the distance of these two, that is, we take a point xy, x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to radius square, that is 2 root 2 square. Expand this, that is a square minus 2ab, 4x plus b square, that is 4, plus y square minus 2ab, that is 2 into y into 2, that is minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 8. After simplifying, we obtain a square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the circle. Next, 0, 0 is a point on the circle. There is one more point on the circle with the x and y coordinate are equally, which is that point. Now consider this line. In this line, both x and y coordinates are equal. This is the coordinate of origin is 0, 0, coordinate of C is 2, 2. C is the midpoint of the coordinates of O and D. Okay, the coordinate of O is 0, 0. So coordinate of D is double of 2, 2. That is 4, 4. Answer is 4, 4. We can find this another way. We replace x by y in this equation. After simplifying, we obtain x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 0. That is x is equal to, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. That is the coordinate is 4, 4. Okay. Next question. The table shows the number of children in a class sorted according to their age, heights. Okay. If the students, the data is given, if the students are directed to stand in a line according to the order of their height starting from the smallest, then the height of the child at what position is taken as median. What is the assumed height of the child in the 17th position? Find the median height. Okay. We first write below 40, below 150, below 160, below 170, below 180. Okay. Then we first number 7. Then 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 plus 10 is 36. 36 plus 10, 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. Okay. We add all these numbers, that is equal to 45. Okay. So we have 45 students. Okay. So median is the middle of the first 45 numbers. That is what we take 1 plus 45, that is 46. 46 by 2 is 23. So the median is the height of the 23rd child. Okay. That is the median. Okay. That is the answer of the first one. So the median class is, this interval is the median class. Okay. The height of the 23rd child lies between 150 and 160. Okay. Now this interval is divided into 10 equal intervals. Okay. So the height of the 17th person, lies between 150 and 151. Height of the 18th person is between 151 and 152. Okay. Then what is the assumed height of the child in the 17th position? We take the height of the 17th child between 150 and 151. Okay. That is 150.5. Find the median height, that is between 156 and 157. The median height lies between 156 and 157. That is equal to 156.5. ഇവിടെ നോക്കൂ, ആദ്യം ഒരു ടേബിൾ ഫോം ചെയ്തു. ഈ ബിലോ 140 താഴെ 7 പേര്, ബിലോ 150 വരെ 7 പ്ലസ് 9 16 പേര്, ബിലോ 160 വരെ എന്തായിരിക്കും, ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് 36 ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നു. ഇങ്ങനെ ടേബിൾ ഫോം ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെ ടോട്ടൽ ചിൽഡ്രൻ എത്രയാണ്? 45. അപ്പോൾ നടുക്ക് ഒരു നമ്പർ എന്താണ്? 23rd ആണ്. അതായിരിക്കും മീഡിയൻ. അപ്പം 23ാമത്തെ ആളായിരിക്കും മീഡിയനായി വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിത് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 17ാമത്തെ ആളുടെ പൊസിഷൻ എവിടെ വയ്ക്കുന്നത്? ഇവിടെ നോക്കും, ഇതിൽ ഈ 23 വരുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഇതിനകത്താണ് വരുന്നത്, ഈ കാണുന്ന അകത്തരുത്. ഇത് 16 അവസാനിച്ചു. 17 മുതൽ അങ്ങോട്ട് 26 വരെ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ബിലോ 160 അപ്പോൾ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈ ബിലോ 160 ഇതിൽ ഇവിടെ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഇൻ്റർവെലായിരിക്കും. ഈ ഇൻ്റർവെൽ നമുക്ക് 10 ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 10 ആൾക്കാരായിട്ട് എന്താണ്? ഇതിനായിട്ടുള്ള ഹൈറ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അതിനുവേണ്ടി ഇൻ്റർവെൽ നമ്മൾ 10 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. അതിൽ 16 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 17ാമൻ്റെ സ്ഥാനം എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈ 150ൻ്റെയും 150ൻ്റെയും 1ൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ നമ്മൾ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ 18ാമത്തെ സ്ഥാനം ഇങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ബിയുടെ ആൻസർ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഇതിനിടയിലാകുമ്പോൾ 150.5 ആയിരിക്കും. മീഡിയം എന്താണ്? 23rd ആണ്. അതെന്തായിരിക്കും? 156ൻ്റെയും 157 ഇടയിലാണ്. അത്രയാണ് 156.5 ആയിരിക്കും. Read the following, understand the mathematical concepts in it, and answer the questions that follow. The remainders obtained on dividing the powers of 2 by 7 have a interesting property. We can understand it from the table given below. Okay, the table is given. If the powers are 1, 4, 7, the remainder is 2. Okay, power 1 4 7 and remainder than 2. What is the remainder on dividing 2 raised to 8 by 7? We have to find out. If the powers are 3 6 9, the remainder is 1. First question is, what is the remainder on dividing 2 raised to 8 by 7? Okay, answer is 4. Okay, answer is 4. We find 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. After dividing 256 by 7, we obtain the remainder as 4. Okay, write the sequence of power of 2 leaving remainder 1 on division by 7. Okay, that's equal to 369. It is given 369. Okay, check whether 219 is a term of arithmetic sequence 369. 2019 is a multiple of the common difference 3, that is 2019 is equal to 3 into 673. So answer is yes. What is the remainder on dividing 2 raised to 19 by 7? Okay, 2 raised to 19 lies in the sequence, so answer is 1. Okay, next write the algebraic form of arithmetic 147. You can write that is 3n minus 2. Okay, write the algebraic form of the sequence 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 7. Okay, that is 2 raised to 3n minus 2. Okay, 2 raised to 3n minus 2. Okay, thanks.